In this video, you'll learn how to create coaxial cable and run simulation in Hermes 3D. We will use Xpeedic's Hermes 3D platform to show you how to create coaxial cable and run simulation, including create cylinder and edit dimensions, perform subtract Boolean operation, add material parameters and assign materials, add waveport and run simulation. Click 3D under Home to enter the 3D editing interface, then click New to create a new project. Click Draw, select Cylinder and Draw on the interface. Click Create CS to create a local coordinate system. Next, click Cylinder to create the second and third cylinders and edit the heights. Next, select two cylinders and perform the Subtract Boolean operation. Click Material Library, add Material Library, and add copper or PE or silver materials. Modify cylinders' names. Assign different materials to different structures. Click Boundaries to automatically add boundaries. Click Circle and add port. Select Circle, right-click, choose Port and add Wave Port. Select the other circle, add waveport, ensuring to choose face. Click Check under Simulation to inspect for any errors in the model. Add FEM 3D Analysis, then right-click Analysis to simulate. In this video, we use creating coaxial cable and simulation as a reference case to show you the function of creating 3D structures and simulations in Hermes 3D. Hermes 3D supports both manual 3D modeling and the import of structure files, such as SAT and STP, enabling fast assembly and simulation of models.